Hi, my name is Vikentis and this is Caprice, and I didn't put sailing boat on. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching. So, we're moving on. We want to float this year, but I got some issue. Still water, well, obviously water coming in. So I'm going to take this contraction on, fill a couple holes, and see if that's going to stop. We don't need this. Right. Inside, what do we got? Right. This puddle. Not sure where it's coming from, but we have to get rid of it. Not good. Not good in the hood. Water. Where's the water coming there? When we got tap on the top. This is down here. Not sure, is that condensation or the water coming from somewhere? Obviously, as we see, could be there. Well, these definitely. Or these. I'm gonna tackle this side first and see. So, if it's condensation, I want to take these off. Open up now. Now it's warmer. It should be right there. Like that. Well, let's tackle this puddle. There. Right. What have we got in here? Full of juice. Keep pumping. I'm not sure why it doesn't pump, and I'm not sure what I'm doing, but let's try it. Let's try and sort out this. Moment of truth. Let me take this off to check it out. Well, this looks fine. And this. Not tasty. So this is not a problem. Right, back to square one. I'm gonna try and sort out this situation. Right. That's connected. Let's see the other end. Plug it there and we're happy. Alright. Under there. Moment of truth. It's going, it's there. It's there. Right. At this point, past couple of weeks, the method what I connect this hose, doesn't work. The diameter is too thick and the pump is too small to pump it all the way. So we got second-hand hose. I hope it's not from the Blackwater. Anyway, we're gonna do that smaller to get this mess out. Water. And we can carry on. Let's do it. I think I'm just gonna do the magic. Well, fail again. Nothing. Oh well. Right, last chance. Charged battery. Got this thing. Got my little pump from Pond. Let's do it. In there. Press the button. Yay! Going out. Happy days. We're gonna go for the holes there in the villages. Not villages, but the cockpit. It's going! Sorry about boring, a little bit boring episode, but this has been stressful. I think I need to get new pump and yeah, start again. And see you next time. Yeah, definitely tastes like village.